And we're back. Hi LinkedIn, I'm Julien from Northreach. I'm a consultant in the UK Bio team, and I'm pleased to bring you Season 2, Episode 1 of our How-to series. Today, I'm here to share some insights into an important aspect in today's workplace, mentoring across different generations. Did you know, for the first time in history, we have 5 different generations working side by side in the same workplace? We've got Traditionalists, Baby Boomers, Gen X, Millennials, and Gen Zers. This diversity brings unique challenges and opportunities in mentoring relationships. Join me as we explore how to build meaningful mentorship connections across all ages, increasing innovation, growth, and inclusivity in your workplace. To effectively mentor different generations, incorporating a step-by-step approach can be super beneficial. And here's a practical guide of how to set up that step-by-step approach. Effective cross-generational mentoring really hinges on understanding the generation's specific needs and traits. For example, Traditionalists and Baby Boomers really rely on recognition and structure, whereas Gen X really depend on being independent. Millennials and Gen Zers are very tech-focused as opposed to Traditionalists and Baby Boomers, which means understanding their specific needs and characteristics is paramount for effective communication and mentoring. Based on your understanding, adapt your form of communication for the particular generation you're mentoring. For example, with Traditionalists, be vocal, be direct, and be clear with what you're trying to communicate, whereas Gen Z, try using instant messaging or other forms of technology. In your initial meetings, be sure to set clear goals and expectations for the mentorship. This helps to build a strong, focused, and productive relationship across all generations. Be sure to integrate technology to a level that's suitable and comfortable for both parties. Try using it for messaging, scheduling meetings, sharing resources, but it's also important not to forget the face-to-face time. Create opportunities for mutual learning. Be sure to give the mentee and the mentor plenty of time to share their knowledge and skills. Don't be afraid of reverse mentoring. It always helps both parties. Foster an environment of openness. Be sure to create an environment where both parties feel comfortable to share their thoughts and feedback. Recognize and respect cultural differences. Always be mindful of cultural backgrounds and experiences from each generation and try and show as much respect as possible. This sensitivity can enhance the depth and quality of the mentorship experience. Regularly evaluate the effectiveness of your mentorship approach. Be open to changing your approach based on different needs and experience and feedback. Acknowledge and celebrate milestones throughout the mentorship journey. This is particularly important for Baby Boomers and Gen X. At the end of the mentorship cycle, engage in a reflective discussion, understanding what went well and what are areas for future development. The power of cross-generational mentorship lies in the ability to unite diverse perspectives in the workplace. And that concludes the episode. So I hope you enjoyed, took a few notes, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day and best of luck.